Welcome everyone to Van Life Sheldon's Travel. Welcome back everybody, I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon's our little yellow belly slider. He's in the turtle. He's in the van right now. But today we're actually right here at Mount Helix in San Diego, California. And we are leaving right here and we're heading down the mountain. And we're going to be heading our way to Ocean Beach right now. And we're going to bring you guys with us. So let's make our way to the van, get on the highway, see if we can fight this traffic all the way to the beach, maybe catch the sunset. If you haven't seen the video on Mount Helix here, it's the last video here in San Diego, so the one right before this. But pretty cool place. Well, let's get back in the van. We actually had to park at a crazy incline here, but that works. Let's get in the van and get on down the road.
Sorry about the window being a little dirty. We're gonna have to get that cleaned.
Well, when we get on the interstate, we'll get back at you. Well, we made it through the crazy interstate.
In 600 feet, turn right at Voltaire Street.
And now we're in Ocean Beach, California, guys. And I think we made it here for sunset.
Take the next right at Voltaire Street, then slight right.
Find us a place to park. Good to go. Find us a parking spot right here on the beach and relax. size of those waves. Well, guys, another amazing night. We're going to end this with a beautiful sunset after this. We're going to go on into town, maybe hang out. I don't know what we're going to do, but you guys have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on the Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good one, guys. Beautiful night. Glad you all are here with us.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.